Hi guys, I'm at Clark Safari Park. Here, there. We're gonna go inside. Can I vlog inside, mommy?
Yeah, I think yes. Of course.
Yeah. So we're gonna park now because we're in here. It's my outfit.
Fit check.
Fit check.
Do they have a lion? You think they have a lion?
Di ba lion?
They have a lion.
Roar!
They have a lion? It's my favorite animal.
It's my favorite animal in the zoo. Hindi ka pwede patras? Pwede yan.
Pwede.
Ang nakatalikod ako sa araw. Sino may-ari nito?
Ako.
Si... Desert?
Safari.
Oh, pinili ko, Safari.
Monster. Monster.
Ha?
Ano
Saan
daw?
daw para pagkakain daw tayo? Bakit?
Nasa likod yung pagkain. Kain na naman. Sumasakit na nga yung tiyan ko sa
Kami ano? Tinanggad niyo.
YMCA,
Panig.
YMCA.
Nasa yung pag-shades dito? Wala eh. Bigyan natin yung shades dito.
YMCA.
Ah, dito. Wala eh.
It's fun to stay at the
Ano yun?
YMCA.
Gamot yan? What?
Ako pa ako.
We're here on Sita Face Car.
What do you need, ma'am? Basura.
Dito chinelas o nangangamoy pa. Grabe.
I'm excited, I'm revived, I'm excited tonight. Every night I keep all your secrets in your pocket like it. Now keep it up and I like your jacket. Yeah, you can try and survive. And it's right, say tonight. Every night I keep all your secrets in your pocket like
Ang turunis din ng bata. Pwede mo magdala ng soft drinks? Hindi ko alam kung pwede magdala ng pagkain sa loob. Yung prunes, meron pa. Ay. Fabio, ayaw ko to. O yan. Kasi baby dati. Sandali mo na ito. Dali nyo na lang.
Tingin mo sa baba? At sa likod? Dala.
Sandali, kasi kukunin ko pa yung bag ko. Tapos pahawak.
Okay, let's go.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Who?
Dad!
Who?
Ano who? Who?
Knock, knock.
Who?
Why are you crying?
Ano ba yan? Ano ka ba?
Nilak mo?
I cannot see anything.
Too bright.
Here, right here.
Nilak nyo na yung door?
Mickey! Look at Mickey.
Wait lang mga ate girls. Kapit mo na kami.
Rock.
Oh, truck. There's a look at the eagle. That's very big. Oh.
Bawal pala pagkain sa loob.
I'm gonna show you.
Dad, pakapin ako.
Okay, so
Pati
we're
water,
gonna go inside and I'll vlog inside. Okay? Bye.
Build us snowman.
Pwede ba ito sa loob, kuya?
Okay. We're buying tickets.
And aros, di ba?
How many is the elephant?
Picture kita? Picture muna tayo dito. Hoy, daddy, mo ba picture? Picture muna tayo.
Take a picture after. Okay. Picture muna tayo dito. Sa farm.
magta-Thailand. Para makasakay naman ako sa elephant. Dito na, mami, upo na. Mami, sit down kayo. Ay, mga kids, kayo dito.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's walk. Hey, vloggers. Ate Summer. Hawak ka daw. Hold hands.
Mag-vlog si Summer.
Baba. Baba.
You can take a picture of that Summer, huh? So that you vlog it. Come on.
Wait.
Okay, you vlog.
You're going down. You're going down? Yeah. Going down. We're going down. Yes, we're going down. We're going down. Yeah.
Uy, mas maganda yung ganyan sa Japan.
Hello.
Hi!
Sa heart?
Yun yung heart, oh, baby, oh.
Uy! Saan? Kami, Tita Titi, Tita Mardy.
Sama si Miggy doon ka sa kabila.
Hindi ka dito, baby.
Smile. Hawak mo, hawak mo. Smile.
Dirty, dirty.
Dirty anak, dirty.
Piggy turtle, oh, tingnan mo.
Miggy, is that masamang
Look.
tingin?
Turtle na giraffe.
Turtle na giraffe?
Right tayo sa turtle, lika. Ayaw. Sorry, ako na lang. Little foot yun. Dinosaur na turtle.
Bastos! Bastos! Ala. Mickey, say hello.
Hindi, doon
Ba't
sa may
iniwan mo
nag-CR.
Ba't iniwan mo yung
Wala na.
iPad?
Oh, huwag mo iiwan yung iPad mo, ah.
Hindi ko maiwan. Natakpo na sila.
Naka-apple na nun. Hindi pa nila
Tita Faye! Tita Faye! Hello!
Kaya lagi mong hawak-hawak yan. Tsaka ba't kasi
Hello.
nilalapag mo sansan?
Hi!
You're gonna edit that?
Yes.
Yes.
I have cut.
Oy,
Miggy!
bulinggit. Saan ka
Miggy!
pupunta?
Miggy, come here! Come here with Ate Summer! Let's go! Miggy, let's go! Ayan, saan sila pupunta?
Matagal na yung naiwan doon. Diba ano? Nagtanong si Mami la. Ay, what happened to your finger?
Nasira yung nail ko.
How?
Wala, just not like as in natanggal na siya. I mean like it
Parang
just
nag-crack sa ano, gitna.
like here and then it like hurts a lot and it almost bleeding. That's why I put it there.
Closer. Di nga, pwede mag-closer. Tayo si Mami pa. Iwanan tuloy ay.
Honey,
Yes, love.
where's the lion?
Mamaya ikot tayo. Hanapin natin yung lion.
Okay.
Selfie tayo, pwede? Wala yung oven.
I don't know what to do. We have to wait for them. Kang tatakbo! Nadila! Oh my gosh, it's the goat.
Ay, may manok, baby.
Saan? Oh,
You know, there's manok.
let me see. Turtle? Si masamang tingin. Oh my gosh! It looks like my turtle!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Ang dami dito.
Ang dami! Oh, yun na yung goat. That's what I've been hearing. Ang daming turtle. They're so cute. Ang daming turtle.
Uy. Ito ay...
Oh my gosh. Stop.
Ito red beard. Red-eared turtle.
Ah, bantot. Bantot.
That's a sheep.
Oh, they have koi fish. They have koi fish.
Where ate? There's fish there. Oo, mamaya pupunta tayo dyan.
Hala, ano yan?
Ayun oh, ang laki oh.
Oh, ang laki yung turtle.
Ayun o, may malaking turtle. Yan. Laki nang? Saan?
Ayun oh.
Ano yan? Anong turtle ba yan?
It's a turtle.
Crocodile yun. Yan ang turtle oh.
That's the turtle. Hindi mo kaya yung dito, ang liliit eh.
Tortoise. Oh, baby, this is a tortoise. Ang look, ang laki
Yan
oh.
ang tortoise. Oh, yan.
Oh!
Pokemon.
Yung may snapping turtle.
Guys, look at this turtle. It's so weird.
Bakit tuyot? Baby, there's one closer pa. Oh.
Buy ka na, para hindi ka mahuli ng turtle.
All chips.
Want cookies? You have cookies, want cookies?
Look, oh, it's moving, baby. Look, it's moving, baby. Look.
Oh! It's walking.
Ready?
This is a snapping turtle.
It's a snapping turtle. This one pala is a snapping turtle.
Yeah.
Will it bite me?
Yo.
Can I touch and can I touch it? I'm just kidding.
Dito kami sama-sama. Picture, picture,
Miggy! Miggy, tawag ka ni Daddy Lo. Miggy!
Mickey, smile! Yay!
There's more turtles.
Tortoise. Ayun.
Go!
Buhay dito.
Okay na.
Liit.
African
Tulog lang yun, ma.
Sabi, look at this oh.
tortoise. Oh! They have a crocodile.
Oh, di ako yung Cloaky.
Guys, look at this
Ang laki
guy.
ng butik eh, be.
Take a photo of you.
Wawala yan.
Guys.
Look at the butik eh, ayun oh. Ang laki ng butik eh, oh.
Oh no! Oh, more alligator! Oh my gosh!
Liit.
Guys.
Saka ngayon sa...
Nahulog yung cellphone mo dun, no?
Yeah, what do you call that?
I love
Let's go. So big, yeah.
Rocky.
Parang nakapata ako sa nasa water.
Ooh.
Go here. Betty, black bear, brown bear, liger.
Tubig eh.
Ano yung liger?
I have a black bear.
We have a liger, Bobby.
What's a liger?
Lion tiger.
Oh. Ooh. Turtles. Oh, that statue scared me. Kala ko it's an actual cow.
So what?
Petting is good.
Actual monkey.
They have koi fish. I love koi fish.
I also love koi fish, but Mami na killed my koi fish. Hala! Yung fish?
Look at this guys. Oh, they have goats. Oh, they're so pretty.
Ah, yung pinatay mong isda ko.
Ay,
Look at this one. This one is my favorite.
doon, tumakot ako ng
That one. It's my favorite.
I will not bring you it. You feed the fish.
Feed the fish!
You feed the fish.
Mommy, can you take a video of me?
Sige, Miggy. Just like that.
Can you take a video?
Can I have some?
Yeah.
Can you remove it? Video. Oh, wait lang, wait lang. Okay. Come here, babe. I'll take a video of you from here. Close to you lang, anak. Close, just close to you. Just close to you lang. So you can see them. They will come close to you. Anak, close to you lang.
Si Shadow. Shadow. Ano meron doon? Ano meron doon? Baka
No, don't pour it. Babe, there's more pa on the other side, bebe.
mas malalaki doon.
Can you take a photo of me feeding them?
Oh my God, the bee!
Can you take a photo of me?
Sige. In here. Huge. Oh, sige na.
Okay, now. Mommy, can you take a video?
I have a video. Oh, sige. Be careful ha, baka yung kamay mo yung kainin nila.
Basta. Wait, I will put one in the very back. Let's see if one of them gets it.
No, they will not go get it. They will think it's nothing. Like dumi.
Oh, there's a yellow one that is being blocked. It's cannot get any food. The brownie. The brownie fishes.
Ano? Are they actually coming near to you? Just feed them from the glass. Near the glass, baby. take a photo of you here. Just don't come close, ha? Kasi baka kagatin ka. Hey, just come here. I will take them in the background. Wait lang. Picture pa nga, Lee.
Oh, kasi taas na sila. Kasi taas na sila.
Really, they're staring there. Wala ka na.
Let's go.
I don't know. I think there's something.
Kasi ang bagal natin eh. We fed the fish pa eh. Let's go. Ang dami silang binigay ng fish food eh. How are the koi fish not jumping out? Ooh. No, it's not.
Summer, oh, there's a brown there.
Where?
There.
Where?
Oh.
Tatlo mo.
Oh my gosh. This is how I see.
You want me to do it?
He's gonna throw it.
Hoy!
Tingnan niyo doon.
Wow.
Buta yung snack.
Ay, ano? Ayun, no, black bear.
Where? Oh my gosh!
Yan may black bear.
No.
Pag nagutom kayo, pwede na. Asan siya?
Yan, no?
They're on the top. Look! Okay lang. The bear is coming down.
Kim, come! Dabso, hagis mo.
Here, Cam.
I'm gonna throw it. It might go to you.
Nadila will throw it. Take a picture with the bear.
Ang galing
It
na
looks like a
magbalat, ha?
black tiger. Ay, lion.
I will take a picture with you.
Sabi, ha?
It looks like a black lion.
Yeah, it does.
I want to see the lion. Ay, naku, dati. Lagi niya sayang. Kala ko tatama mo siya.
Oo. Eating ng banana, yung black bear.
Tinamaan mo siya, tapos binata niya pabalik mo.
There's a monkey.
Oh my God! Sa paano baba to? May screen pala yun. Ayan, dito ka. Dito ka.
Monkey.
Guys, the bear came down.
Ano? Ano ba na siya?
Lumayo.
Ito bear? Ha?
Si Tita Mardy, pinipicturean yung puwet. Yung puwet ng pink.
Hindi naman nakikita yung liger.
Ayun, it's there. It's inside.
Saan?
There, oh. May basag na yung glass. May basag na yung glass, babe. Other half.
This one will look for him. This one will look for him. Look what the light. Look what the light is doing. It's so cool.
Can I go inside?
No, basta ko.
Go! What is
Ano
this?
yan? Philippine long-tailed owl.
Ayun, no, nasa dulo sila. Pero they're so small.
Saan siya?
Ang payat.
They're super
Where is it?
Up.
Kapayat man gid.
Ayan.
See it.
It's like all the way up there. But you cannot see it now. It's too high. Okay.
Dapat iburot yung banana.
Ano? Bastos. Vlogging. Hello. Hello. Oh, there's the koi fish again.
Oh, what is this? Mickey, what is this? What is this? Oh, what is this? Butiki. Si butiki? Ah, butiki, oh, butiki, oh. Oh, tamang tingin, oh. Oh, tamang tingin, oh, yun, oh.
Tatakot siya. Green iguana.
Bird ba yan? Hindi yan bird.
Nandiyan ka.
What's that?
Ilalim ng bato.
Ano yan?
Monitor lizard.
Lizard. Saan siya?
Sa dulo. Kinakain lang
Oh,
namin.
there.
Ito may mas malapit, oh, here. Here. Oh, you know.
What is that?
Oh.
Saan?
You have spider on your hair.
Huh?
Yeah.
Don't prank mommy lang.
There is na.
There is na. Ito ka na.
Oh, am I lying?
It's not a prank.
You want? Lion feeding daw. They'll take a picture of you.
Ayun yung pinapaano eh.
There, oh. You. Baka matakot si Sammy. Ano yan? Ang saan? Ayan, oh. Lion?
I don't want to touch the lion.
Yeah.
I don't want.
Ano ang favorite mo, lion?
Yeah, pero it's ano, I don't want to touch it. I'm scared.
Dabs, sabi mo, go to Tito Dabs. Tito Dabs, carry me.
Where is the lion?
Dito daw will go with you. Everybody will go with you. Ayaw daw niya.
I don't want. Kala ko it's in a cage. I don't want. I don't want to touch it.
Touch it.
Look at them. They literally carrying it.
Oh, where you going, Miggy? Miggy!
Miggy! Uy! Baka.
Tito Dabs, yung carry Tito Dabs.
Babay.
Babay.
Oh, babay ka dyan.
Halika, carry kita. Para walang, walang...
There's a turtle.
Oo. Anak, huwag kang umalis.
Hindi ako umalis.
Ah, okay.
Look, oh, there's another turtle.
Ay.
Yaya?
Uy, horse. You're the horse babe, right?
I don't know.
Pinamimigay nga lang namin ng piling.
There's... So cute!
It's a donkey. Ay.
There's a bird. Oh my gosh, there's an ostrich. It's my first time seeing an ostrich.
Stay back ha. Makatumay
I know.
Uy, may gawin.
Tama here.
Here, come here.
Wait
Sa
lang.
likod kita.
Here, oh, para makita mo here.
Ang laki ng paa nyo.
No, here.
Guys.
Pag lumapit ka daw, kakainin daw niya, pinapractice lang niya. Ibigay mo yung kamay mo dyan. Yan ang mo, no?
Silver lining, I'm trying to jive. Oh, this Bango mo naman.
Tama na nakakulong dyan. Babalik ka talaga.
Lumpot nila.
Huh?
Binabaltik na siya eh. Usog mong konti. Usog mong konti. Baka magmukha kang legit.
Hindi kaya try niyang sirain yung barrier.
Ay, paano ko kaya ito matatanggal? Lusot ka na lang oh, lulusot ka lang be.
Run! Run with the...
Ay ba? Nagpa-photo pa siya. Nagpa-picture. There's a pizza truck there. Ano yan? Monkey?
Hindang Pantera.
Wait lang, ano yan oh? Ano yan? Is that a raccoon?
Ang laki.
Is that a raccoon? Wait, is the lion here? Nabag na lang ang kata. Ano?
But the liger is the biggest of the cat family. Hindi na ba? Liger is the biggest. It's an emu, oh.
Uy! Emu!
Emu. Ostrich sa maliit.
Okay, I'm going up the stairs. Ay no, Miggy, bawal dyan.
Oh no!
Why?
There's a big teeth.
Yeah.
Let's go
There's a
inside.
big teeth.
Let's go inside.
Walk lang mo.
Oh, kaya ka kay Tito Dad.
What's that? It's Bengal.
Ah, Bengal tiger.
Hindi mo makita.
That's what my dad calls me, Bengal tiger.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Bengal tiger, ikaw pala
Yeah.
yun eh. Wala na lang tumalong
Saan siya?
Bengal tiger.
Wala siya.
Rawr!
Ito
Ito oh, yung white.
Huh? Oh!
It's a white tiger.
Wow!
Wow!
na?
Naliligo pala.
Ayun, oh, white tiger. Oh. White tiger. Oh. White tiger, let's go.
It's a lion.
It's a lion.
It's a lion.
Tingnan mo dito may di. Hawak kayo dito may di. Hawak ka, hawak.
Oh, yan na, Bobby.
It's a...
The one with the fur.
It's my favorite animal. It's a lion.
Anong pig? Pig daw, big. Pig na.
Ito, bull.
There, oh.
Aso?
Si Aki.
Namatay ba to?
Sleeping, oh.
Ay, it's sleeping.
Big is sleeping, oh. Another one is awake, eating.
Ay, it's a black panther.
I'm scared.
Arctic wolf. Arctic wolf?
Aki!
Aki!
Arctic.
Jaguar?
He's sleeping up there.
Saan? Oh!
Move here a bit so you can take a photo of it properly.
Yeah, but I'm so happy I got to see the lion.
You saw the lion there na, di ba?
Yeah, that's why I'm so happy. Because I love the lion. It
Good.
looks like Aslan. Diba?
Yeah.
It looks like Aslan.
Oh, there's parrots, Dad.
Daddy, Dadalo! Saan ka pupunta?
Parang tiyanak yun, anak, ha? Ribbon sounded like a tiyanak. Punta tayo doon sa birthday. Sabi niya.
Wait lang. Why are you copying the parrot? Ingay niya. Ang ingay niya. Oh, what's that? What's that?
Ano ka mo?
What's that? Oh, it's so cute.
Titi mo?
Ganyan sa bahay.
Guys,
Baby, this ano?
it's so cute. Oh, it's a bird. They won't attack me.
No, they won't. Gutom ka na? Ha? Bili kita ng food. Gusto mo?
My arms hurt. Duck?
Ha? Duck? I don't think it's a duck.
It says duck crossing, oh.
There's ducks crossing, but it didn't say this is not a duck.
Hi, monkey. Honey badger.
Let's go, Mickey. Mickey, come here. Hawak kami.
Is there a honey? There, oh, there, there. Ay, the
Nakawala.
garden.
Nakawala.
Asan?
Daga wala yun.
Si Tito Dom siya binibidyo mo yung taga yan eh.
Ginawa mo taga sinigab.
Yung kiss mo sa Ate Summer. Kiss mo Ate Summer. Yung kiss Ate Summer. Hug mo Ate Summer. Hug mo. Here. Si mami mo nandito. Later.
Yeah? Mickey, come here. Mickey. Oh, where? Oh! Look at this
Miss Python.
guys. Look. Burmese python. Uy, Daddy, look. Oh my gosh.
Walk lang ha. Don't run. Don't run. Walk lang.
Uy, don't look on the window.
Do not, ano daw tagla? Sabi, hindi naman nakita kami sa inyo.
Will the ducks attack me? A duck crossing eh. Are you sure there's
You know, in Korea, they just let the duck loose.
Panggahan area. Kids playground. Farm petting. Walk and deer.
there?
It's straight ahead.
Sa duck crossing?
Maybe you want to go there?
Oh, it is. Laki ng kuko niya ka dyan.
Kuko niya, sabi niya. It's cleaning its feathers.
Ano, linis ang feathers niya, no?
Great white pelican.
Hindi lang yung malilisin ng dito niya, oh. Hindi niya kasi ako.
Horn.
Sa hornbill,
Oh, that's the one I took a picture.
babe.
Where did you get that?
You want some? Here.
Ba't ang dami mo ganyan? Oh, wait, you should give one to the... What's that?
No, she's for me.
I don't want chocolate.
You sit here, I'll give you cookies.
Open?
Sabi ni Tita Didi, gusto niya candy. Tita Didi, di ba you want candy?
Ha?
Di ba you want candy? Meron si Daddy Lo and Mami La. Can you hold? And can you film?
Dito.
Ang laki kasi ng pang-vlog mo eh.
I think this vlog is already 1 hour.
1 hour, nakapost yung camera mo ngayon na nag-start.
Ate, show me one.
Oh.
Sakit na yung arms ko. Mami lang mag-hold, matatapon mo. Eat mo na yan. I'll give you.
Later.
I'll give you one. Kain mo na.
Oh, it's your dinosaur.
Should have just brought my vlogging camera rather than you asking me to hold your iPad.
My arm shape na yan.
Kaya nga, if we just brought the vlogging camera, di mas ma-easy.
Fine.
Babe. Hi.
Okay. It's my favorite animal, lion. It's a wolf.
Go close, come.
It's a wolf. Ayoko.
Picture mo si Daddy Lo, hawak siya ng monkey. Let's go from here, papi. And then we'll exit from the top.
Okay.
Are they making the sound?
Yeah, I think we're supposed to go up there muna eh.
Take a video of them.
Delikado yan eh. Gusto ko nakitang praise ni Hello, got the Philippine deer.
Where's the deer?
A Philippine deer, oh. They're all on the right side.
You put your camera closer here in the butas. So there's no ano. Can you see? I will help you. Make it close to the butas here.
Matutumba ka, matutumba. Init kasi dito sa already sick kanina, pero humigit eh. Oh no! This is a Philippine deer. They have these other cute deers. I cannot see.
I will take a video for you.
Yan yung deers talaga, hindi pang Pinas.
Oh. Kasi in the butas na sandali nga. So we have to find a big butas where the camera will fit. Can you find a big one?
It's fine, it's fine.
Here.
Can you take it from back?
Oh no, there is a big one. Babe, here. Ang dami na nakuha ni Summer ah.
Smile! Smile, bilis! Smile! Oh, smile! Smile ko na! Smile, Biggie! Smile! Smile! Oh, look at mommy! Smile. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Hmm? Oh.
Be careful, may motorcycle.
I will take a picture. I'm still taking pictures. Hala, si Tito Dam! Tito Dam!
Ano ba yan? Dapat sa mataas. May gawin mo. Laglag mo sa kay Armandi.
Tito Dam! What are you doing? Oh! What are you doing?
Daddy. Daddy. Doon ka sa kabila, Daddy. Sa kabila ka. Free fall.
Sigurado ah.
Go!
Hindi ka na kayang bitawan, be.
Sige, again. No.
Natakot ka siya bitawan.
Go ah.
At tatakot hindi ka talaga kaya.
Ayoko baka sumabit ko pa.
Let's go! Dami. Yes.
This is Tito Josh bag ha. Yung iPad niya nandito.
Go, bebe.
Hindi dadating nga yun.
Ang baba. Everybody's okay. Even the adults, sila may issue down.
Para masisira yung ano sa inyo.
Parang Uy! Muso guys! Hindi naman!
Hi, babe.
Are you having fun?
No, I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
It's high.
Ate Manji, pag tumalsi ka dyan.
Hello.
Yun yan?
Ibatak mo.
Yun yan?
Sabi ba niyo, lakas mo.
Pinipikitan mo ba? May tubig pa kawawa. Okay na.
This is so scary. Oh. Okay.
Isang salita naman. Sige, sige. Kaya?
Bungee slide ka nga din sa Pambata? Hindi, pambata.
I'm literally swinging. Oh my gosh! Mahuhulog si Tita Maydi! I'm literally swinging on.
Ayoko.
Ala! Ah! Ay! Ay, nandiyan na nandiyan na sila, oh. Tita Faye! Ate Banji! Tita Faye! Tita Faye! Si Tita Didi nagtitiktok. Nagtitiktok. Kahit nagsiswing. Kahit ang tararo. Pero okay lang. I want you to say. Oh, I don't need any music for my videos anymore. I can just sing. I'm just kidding. Hello, Miggy. You want to ride the swing? You want to ride the swing?
Baho. Baho.
Miggy, you want to ride the swing? Come here. Oh, you ride the swing.
Dito, dito kami. Wait, dito daw.
Ako, wag kayo dito, Dad. Mabigat na kayo parehas.
Gusto niya solo eh.
Miggy, you go there, you go there, go there.
Solo yun.
Wala, halika na, baba na tayo.
Okay, let's go
Wala
now.
ako.
Let's go. Okay.
Saan ka punta?
Nag-water ka?
I want more water. Oh, more water. Guys, we're down and there's a bathroom.
There,
There's two. Okay, wala ka na. Hello. Oh, a bird.
Bumabahing.
Ay, bumabahing.
Ayun nung nawala. Akala niya may kasama siya.
Hindi yan nangyari sa likod ng pads mo. Bakit? Ah, sa ilalim. Yaman. Anong Josie?
Ano si Josie? Tita Didi, the ostrich is still trying to break the fence. Tita Didi, the ostrich is still trying to break the fence. We came all the way up there. Okay, we're eating. Here,
Come here.
I'll show you.
Oh, saan ka sa...
Here.
Come here. Sit down ka with tita. Wag ka dyan.
Sit down.
Come here.
Yan, nakasit
Here,
na
you
sa
guys want to
bako.
Huwag naman dyan sa side. Dad.
Dito sa pit ni Daddy Lo.
Perfect.
Sit. Yan. Sa pit ni Daddy Lo. Yan.
Pwede ba?
Ayan. Display nga
Yung rason.
Oh, ito na. Oh. Ayun ba?
And we're still at the...
Ice. No more glass.
Ito na, oh.
Eat ng cream. Eat.
Ayaw, be. Ano ba gusto mong drink?
Eat na si Miggy Boy.
Ito yung...
Hello.
Hello.
Ay, buli.
Saan?
Saan may basura? Saan may basura? Nakaka na yung basura, babe, please. Thank you.
Ito pala yun yung akin, oh.
Ah!
Sige.
Dadang, kaya mo naman.
Ano ka nangayin mo? Martilios?
Rose. Buo. Bite mo. Kinakain mo lang yung ano eh.
Yung loob eh. Uy, ito ang soft drink, anak.
Tayo mo, anak. May soft drink sa tabi mo, ha?
Wala man, oh. Ilaw na lang. Dami ko kinain.
Perfect.
What?
Tapos ka na.
Bukas Doritos.
Ano ba talaga to? Ah. Ate Bay, ano ba talaga to? Sausage? Sarap kumain, no? Pag gutom, no? Kasama yun, sarap kumain ng ganito, no? Ha? O, dito.
May car dyan, may car. May car.
Bumog na yung pagkain ko.
O, may makakanin pa? Dahil pang kanin, eh.
Pagkain pa?
David. Try mo yan.
I'm tired.
Dito ka na kumain na, do.
Oo nga, yan na. Oh.
Sige, sabawan mo na.
Ha, sabawan mo na. Lagyan mo na yung spoon and fork. O, punasin na lang.
Ano na, gulay?
Lahat,
Oo.
lagay mo na yan lahat.
Huwag mo lagay lahat yan, be.
Parang kakaning baboy na yan. Lagyan mo yung may laman.
Hello, Miggy.
Yan yung buto na may laman. Ha? Yan.
Lagay mo na nga lahat. Sabaw na lang matitira dyan. Pustahan tayo.
Konting sabaw lang, ha? Ayan, o. Konting sabaw. O, tama na. O. Nakagulay yan. Yan, okay na.
May kaya. May mango. Yes.
Ah, wala naman gusto. Wala na. Hira kayo.
Ay! Hindi ang tapo. What happened?
Miggy, may car. Uy, may car, may car. Ano ha?
Miggy.
Takbo siya eh.
Takbo siya. Takbo mo siya.
Kaya ate.
Good na.
Pagod na? Pagod. I'm pagod na.
Ay,
Nahiya pa kayo.
Sinong pagod na? Akin yan, o.
Oo, nahiya pa kayo eh. Kayo naman eh.
Sabi, gusto mo ba?
Kaya mo si Miggy kung gusto niya.
Miggy, gusto mo to?
Ayan na.
Ma'am yan. Ay, sorry.
Gat mo muna, gat. Oh. You want? No. Hmm. Kaya mo.
Pintam. What's pintam? O, diba? Dissolve.
Ay! Miguel!
Buksan ko muna.
Oh,
Baka hindi
tim-tam,
pa bukas,
tim-tam.
mahirapan ka magbukas. Summer!
Yeah?
Tim-tam, come here.
Simtam?
Yeah. Kay Tito Dabs to, kukuhainin natin.
Ano yan?
Yun na kay Mami. Mami na mamaka. Kinain ni Mami.
Favorite ko rin dali din eh. Oh, Miggy boy.
Sana! Tisi, o. Tisi, o. Tisi, o.
Meron ditong double chocolate eh.
Hello.
Gusto mo kumain?
Ja.
Sumpa?
Ay,
Where's your water? I'll drink the milk. Ah.
Ano ba yun?
Hey, not allowed.
Not allowed.
Oh, give me. Not allowed pala eh.
Mas ganun dyan, brother.
Miguel!
Cold ba?
Bukan!
Ay, may water yan. Thank you.
Ah, ito na sa'yo. Oh.
Water ni daddy na yan. Huwag gagalawin.
Ayun o, ice. Oh, play mo to, play.
Suran.
Get the ice, kay tita. Oh, play mo to, play. Dali. Let it melt on your hand like this. Wash your hands. Wash your hands like that. Uy! Like this one. Good, look. Good. Cold. Ay!
Boom! Wala.
Ay, ginang.
Ay!
Katungkel.
Amim! Amim!
Lagyan nyo na
Siguro
ano,
na.
Ano yan?
Ay,
Lagyan
gumawa
nyo ng
na?
water yung water dyan. Kasi kakain lang sila.
Tingnan daw ng water
Okay.
yan.
Ayun na yung water.
Tama. Tama.
Lucky dog!
Buksan mo nga ate.
Kain na lang yan sa aso.
Oo!
Ito na yung mga bato.
Matapon pa.
Katungkel, oh.
Ha?
Ang Angry Birds.
Parang ano, pinentel-pinan.
Sharpie.
Hey guys.
nga.
TikTok.
Uy, Josh.
Yeah.
Nagtitinga pa ako eh. Ang bilis.
Tissue.
Hala.
What are you
Madumi na ng
doing?
sabon mo. Madumi na.
Dali.
Sabon.
Ay.
Wala na bang tatapon?
You are in the car right now. They are on that brown box. Let's put you back.
Ikaw, Ate Ladies. Sa lap mo.
Tissue.
Tissue.
Oh.
Tissue.
Oh, dyan. Ay!
I can't go inside of the car. I can't.
Excuse me, boss. Magsabon
I
ko muna doon sa
almost
gilid.
fell.
Wait lang.
Bossing.
Boss, huwag may babalik. Huwag may babalik yung sabon-sabon.
I
Salain mo yung mami. Dalawa wala tayo ng daddy. Ilan na kami na.
forgot the next steps.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna sit in the car.
Naging 5.
I'm on the car.
Oh.
Look at
Tapos
this.
nagkaroon ng dalawang maliit.
Here you are on this box.
Patawa-tawa.
Kamukha pa ni daddy lo lahat.
Right here. I'm sitting here.
Kamukha ni daddy lo lahat.
Uh,
Sabon.
we have been here for like 2 or 3 hours.
Oy! Ba't mo ako binasa? Oh, why did you get me wet, ha? Wala ka. Babalik ko na yung ano. Ano to? Basura na to?
Tita Maydi, Tita Dab, Tita Mardi, Tita Didi, Tita Faye. Hi.
Hi!
Ano ba yan, Tita John?
Oh, don't go. My car, don't go.
Hindi, there's a car. Sit ka dito. Ay.
Nagamit yung icebox, ang malupit ah.
Malupit ang icebox ni Mami
Bossing.
yan. Napor niya yan eh. Ang cute naman ito. Akin na lang.
Alam mo, gagawin nga ni Mami, ihian niya daw pagka naiihi na.
Buyan mo?
Hindi, grabe ko naman.
Ano yung buhok ni Wiggy ah?
Iyan na namin. Nakuhain na to para ipagsasama na natin lahat ng basura.
Ano yan, Ma?
Hindi na may baby.
Huwag mo dyan nalagay yung basura, Ma.
Saan?
Kasi nalagay ko dito yan, kasi yung mga soft drink, tsaka ano.
Sige. Kasama to. May soft drinks pa daw.
Oh, nahihilo ka na.
Ay, hilo, wag. Hello. Baka aking water yan.
Tayo ah. Oh! It reached the other car.
Papayin mo.
Hindi ba na-open?
Eh, meron kami lagay ng tubig doon na sa ano ah. Kunin mo nga. Dad! May lagayin tayo ng tubig doon sa harap ah.
Sino eh.
Summer, get mo yung sinigi. Jar natin. Malagay mo ng tubig para may lagay ko ng ice. Lagay ng tubig sa gilid. Yung kukli. Yung silver.
Dali.
Nasa likod ng sandalan ni Daddy. Oh, mabigat si Miggy. Miggy boy! Ang kulit-kulit mo!
Ang baga.
Ang bigat mo! Dito ka lang! Dito ka lang! Oh, lagay mo ng ice.
Sige na kayo, anak.
Hindi ka sa ice dyan.
Bakit ka makulit?
Bakit ka makulit?
No?
Dito lang yung ilagay mo. Maliliit na yellow dito.
Hindi ka sa parin.
Bakit ka makulit? Yung kanya.
Just joking.
Sinong lagot? Sinong lagot? Sinong lagot?
Yeah.
Tubig.
Got it from the other car.
You can have it.
Oh, wait ka.
Wala na tubig, wala na. Wala na dito.
Dito nyo.
Huwag mo ko. Para lang ito. Bulis ka lang.
Ilalagay mo ba yun dyan ba?
John, lagyan ko lang ng ice cream mo.
Akin na yung soft drinks. Matamaan ka, Car.
Saka dyan lang
Dito. Ito lang.
Sama, excuse me na. Shut up muna.
I'm fucking up now.
Nakapatupin mo muna naka.
Oh, bihit-bihit na yung yellow.
Matigapin ka na. Ano nakalagay ito?
Ay, galing.
Wait mo ko. Wait mo ko. Masakit tayo kay Daddy Oscar. Wait mo ko. Ang bigat nga. Mabigat pa kagawan. Hindi ka na. Ang sakit. O, okay na. Okay na. Hindi, para lang hindi siya magulit. O, go inside, go inside. Wait lang anak. Ate Summer muna. Oh, okay. Go inside ka kay Ate Summer. Go inside. Go inside kay Daddy Oscar. Sige na.
Bigay yung chip.
Dad, dito pang ice chip.
We like it. It's good. It's good.
Huwag mong buksan. Off mo. No, close mo yan. In the middle. Enough na. Close mo. Pagalitan ka ni Daddy Lo, bahala ka. Daddy Lo, ina-open niya yung ilaw oh. Close mo lang yun. Close lang, close lang. Opo, opo. Close lang. Good. Don't try Ate Summer, oh. Hello. Love mo si tita? Yeah. Hug tita, hug. Hug. Daming gifts sa'yo si tita. Wear mo, ah.
Open siya.
Upo ka na. Okay. Tabi ka kay Ate Summer. Huwag ka dun. Upo na si tita. Tayo, ah.
No!
Oh, alcohol, alcohol, alcohol tayo, alcohol. Oh, alcohol. Alcohol tayo, alcohol. Ano yan? Very good.
Put on your face! Don't put the alcohol on your face! Bye, Tita Didi!
Ay, ang galing naman. Moby, be. Moby.
Where's my Maggie? Uncle.
Not like Moby. Tago, tago. Sarap Moby, oh. Moby. Ang dami niya na kinain chocolate. Kuha pa, be? Saan si Ate Banji? Uy! Wala, nasira. Daddy Lo, nasira na. Daddy Lo, nasira na ni Miggy. Wala, sumbong kita kay Daddy Lo.
Wala na? Ito na.
What's inside?
Wala.
Wala. Nak, halika na anak.
Oh, daddy, kailangan.
Dito ka na lang?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You don't want to ride with mommy?
Yeah.
Mag-cry pa si mommy. Magka-cry na si mommy. 1, 2. Ah! Ibangaw, anak. Dito ka muna. May narinig ko. Zzz. Si mommy. Teka mo na.
Kaya ko si Mami.
Cry si mommy. Change ka muna ng diaper bago tayo mali.
Saka daddy ko.
Sakay daw kay Daddy Oscar. Doon ka na sa harap. Mainit.
Si Mama Tano.
Ha?
Sira na daw Daddy Lo. Sira na.
Sinira ni Miggy. Alam.
Yung sabi si Rana. Oo. Oo. Under na tayo eh. Sabi mo sira.
Pwede ko na? Okay.
Sira na dati na scar?
Yeah.
Hindi ah.
Bubong. Hi, Daddy.
Kisa ko. Kisa ko, baby. Yung po dyan, ito. Yung marami. Ay, hindi. Madami sabi.
pakita mo muna diaper. Miggy, diaper mo na change.
Sarap.
Hubad ka na.
Laway.
Hello, hubad mo ng diaper.
Oy,
Hey.
yung diaper ni Miggy Boy.
Hey!
Remove ka diaper, doon ka kay tita mo.
Ay!
Doon ka kay tita mo, remove diaper.
Stand up ka. Stand up ka, stand up. Hubad ka. Remove shoes. Dali. Dirty feet. Yak! Yak, ang asim ng paa mo. Yeah. Tayo ka. Change tayong diaper. Stand up. Kasi dirty feet, no? Dirty feet. Ew.
Okay guys, we're at Starbucks. Ice cream donuts.
Kaya ito, babe. Happy ito?
Kay Ate Banji. Cheers.
Ate, babe.
Oh, you take a picture since it's different colors. Ito na lang, oh, big straw. Binakbakan din, oh. Oh, kumain kayo Christmas cream. Ate Banji, Christmas cream pa, oh. Kain doon ng Christmas cream. What are you doing, my love?
Nag-jumble na.
Ate Banji, Krispy Kreme.
Lamig. How's your
Matcha babe?
It's good.
Gusto ko nga mag-Jollibee.
Pwede yung go to Jollibee.
Ayaw ni Summer. Ako din, gusto ko mag-Jolly hotdog at saka mag-peach mango pie. Bukod na lang.
Cheers. It's wicked.
Your weekend drinks?
Yeah. So your alphabet.
Cheers, babe.
Harap. It's good.
Hindi ako sa...
Yes, love. It's not coffee, right?
It's coffee with chocolate. Ikaw? Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Yes. It's a Spanish version of coffee. Or an Italian version of coffee.
May pricing na ba dyan?
No, this doesn't have lots of mocha. It's matcha.
Sabi mo, sige, sabihin ko na. May nakabi ako, may pricing na kasi.
No, there's no puffs of mocha. I didn't ask them. White mocha is chocolate.
Kaya sinabi ako rin, magpapanagari ako. Eh, kung ano ka, wala mo na isang pricing. Pag ano siya, online lang, nagagawa yun. Sa Shopee, 290 nga yun eh.
You know, I like matcha with coconut milk and pump of vanilla.
So cool. Uy, iniwan mo daw. Ito daw, iniwan mo. Lamig.
Kasi yun
I'm freezing.
Magbabantay.
Ha?
Pwede yun, ikaw naman yung pero pwede na yun.
Haam.
Nalabanan yung sa animal.
What you want to do in the bowl?
Kasi Krispy Kreme siya.
Kasi kakata?
Ako yung mo, 19. Anong araw?
Sunday.
Sunday. So, pwede kami sa
Sunday na yun, di ba? Sunday morning. Kasi afternoon dapat lilipat na ako. Yung yung Grandia. Okay na yun. Ganda na yun.
Ano yun? Second hand? 31 kilo
Tsaka ano, super, ano siya, diba?
1.5 and brand new is
Okay guys, we're back in Kuwait.